With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, a solid sphere and a hollow sphere of same mass and radius r are released from the top of a rough inclined plane. The friction coefficient is same for the both bodies. If both perform imperfect rolling, then you have to check out of ABCD which option is the correct. Two statements are given. Work done by the friction for the motion of the bodies from the top of the inclined plane to the bottom will be same. Second statement says that the force of friction will be same for the bodies. So as if you see the masses is same, right, and imperfect rolling, it means slipping is taking place, then there will be slipping, so there will be the limiting friction here will be acting, right? If you see, let's say this is the inclined plane, so in both the cases, if I write down, let's say this is a spherical body, here mg is acting in downward direction. So the mg will have two components. One along the incline, another one is perpendicular to the incline. Cos theta mg sin theta n. So if I write down the limiting friction here, it is mu times of n, and n you can see it is not able to move perpendicular to the incline. So it is mu mg cos theta, right? So this will be the limiting friction that will act on the body. So if you see here, this is the limiting friction that will act on it. So in both the cases, if you see, the mass is same, so the friction force will be simply mu mg cos theta, right? Now if you see, the first statement says that the work done is also same. So we know that the work done is equals to force displacement of point of application of force of force. So if I see that how to compare that the point of application will be having the same displacement or not, right? So if you see the acceleration because of translation, they two will have the same. If you see here, the acceleration will be what? Mg sin theta minus the friction force, which is again the same for the two. This will be the net force that we could write down mass time acceleration. So acceleration will be the same. But if you see the torque, right, torque I will write down, it is limiting friction times perpendicular distance, that will also the same. But if you see, if you calculate the alpha, the I1 is not equals to I2. So alpha 1 will be not equals to alpha 2. So if you see the point P, it will have two displacement, one because of translation A, another one because of rotation alpha r. So the net displacement you have to calculate by using A minus alpha r at any instant. So alpha is not same for the two. So the point of application displacement, if you see S1 and S2, it will not be the same. Alright. So if the displacement is not same, so work done will also be not same by the friction force. So the statement 2 is statement 1 is incorrect. Statement 2 is correct. So if you see, statement 1 is false, statement 2 is correct, D is the correct one. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.